If you've been using an iPhone for years, there are probably features built into it right now that you've never noticed, even though you use your phone every single day. In this video, I'm showing you 25 hidden iPhone features that are actually useful. No complicated stuff, no gimmicks. Just things that make your phone easier, faster, and more convenient to use. Let's start right away. The first feature is something that makes using your phone with one hand much easier. Normally, when you want to go back in an app, you have to swipe from the very edge of the screen. But in iOS 26, you don't need to do that anymore. You can now swipe from almost anywhere on the screen to go back. So instead of reaching all the way to the side, just swipe from the middle area, and it works. This is especially helpful if you're using your phone with one hand. Once you get used to this, you'll never go back to the old way. The second feature helps when you miss a phone call but can't call back right away. Open the phone app, go to Recents, and find a missed call. Now swipe left on that call. You'll see an option to schedule a callback reminder. Tap it, and you can choose things like 1 hour later, tonight, tomorrow, or a custom time. Your iPhone will remind you to call that person back later. No more forgetting important calls. The third feature is inside messages, and most people don't know this exists. Let's say someone sends you a long message, and you only want to copy one small part of it. Before, you had to copy the entire message. Now, press and hold on the message, then tap Select. You can highlight only the exact words you want, and copy just that part. This is perfect when someone sends you an address, a code, or important info inside a long message. Next, let's talk about something useful in your contacts. Open the phone app, go to Contacts, and tap on any person. Scroll down. You'll now see call history for that specific contact. This shows you every time you called them and every time they called you, with dates and times. So if you ever think, wait, when was the last time I talked to this person? You can check it instantly. Now let's move to Safari, because there are a few hidden tricks here. First one, opening your tabs faster. At the bottom, where you see the 3 dots, double tap them quickly. Instead of tapping once and then choosing tabs, it jumps straight into the tab view. It's a small thing, but once you start using it, it saves time. Another Safari trick is sorting your tabs. Open your tab view. Then tap the 3 dots at the top. You'll see options to arrange tabs by title or by website. If you have lots of tabs open, this makes it much easier to find what you're looking for. Here's another Safari feature people miss. In the tab view, press and hold on any open tab. You'll see an option to duplicate it. This creates an exact copy of that page. It's great if you want to compare things, fill out forms twice, or keep one version open. Next, let's fix something annoying that happens with Bluetooth. Have you ever been listening to music with headphones, then you walk into your car or house, and suddenly the sound switches to speakers? You can stop that. Open Settings. Go to General. Tap AirPlay and Continuity. Turn on Keep Audio with Headphones. Now your iPhone will keep playing sound in your headphones instead of switching automatically. Now we're moving into camera, privacy, recording, and file features that most people never even touch. But once you know them, they become part of your daily use. First, let's talk about screenshots. Take any screenshot on your iPhone. After you take it, tap on Edit. Then tap the plus icon at the bottom. You'll see an option called Magnifier. Tap that. Now you can place a magnifying glass on any part of the screenshot. This is perfect when you want to highlight a small detail, a password, a button, or a setting. Instead of drawing circles manually, you can use this built-in magnifier. It looks much cleaner and more professional. Next is something related to privacy and device info. Open Settings. Go to General. Tap About. Scroll down until you see your IMEI number. Now press and hold on it. You'll see an option called Barcode. Tap that. Your iPhone will generate a scannable barcode for your IMEI, so if you're at a carrier store or Apple store, they can scan it instantly instead of typing numbers manually. You can also share all device identifiers from here in one tap. Now let's talk about voice recordings. Open the Voice Memos app. Start recording something. While recording, swipe down to open Control Center. Tap on the microphone mode icon. Change it to voice isolation. This removes most background noise. After you finish recording, tap the 3 dots on the recording. You'll see Studio Voice. Turn that on. Your iPhone will clean up the audio and make it sound more professional. This is great for voice notes, reminders, or even basic content recording. Next, let's go to Messages again, but this time for privacy. Open any conversation. If someone is blocked, you'll see a red Blocked label. Also, you won't even see the text box. You can't type until you unblock them. And now, in iOS 26, there's a new section where you can see all blocked contacts in one place. Go to Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Tap Blocked Contacts. Here you'll see everyone you've blocked across calls, messages, and FaceTime. Much easier to manage. Now let's talk about something in the camera settings. Open Settings. Go to Camera. Scroll down. Turn on Lens Cleaning Hints. When this is on, your iPhone will warn you if your camera lens is dirty. So if your photos suddenly look blurry, your phone will remind you to clean the lens. It sounds simple, but it actually helps a lot. Next is about saving photos from messages. Normally, when you take a photo inside Messages and send it, it doesn't always save to your gallery. You can change that. Go to Settings. Tap Camera. Scroll down. Turn on Save Captures to Photo Library. Now, any photo you take inside Messages will automatically save to your Photos app. No more losing pictures. Now let's move to the Files app. Open Files. Go to any folder. Press and hold inside the Hive folder. Tap Customize Folder. You can now change the folder color and even add an emoji. This helps you organize important folders visually. For example, work files, personal files, documents, or projects. Another Files feature is about opening documents. Press and hold on any file. Tap Open With. Choose Quick Look. You can set it as default. Now instead of opening documents in different apps, they open instantly in preview mode. Much faster. And one more useful feature here. When you record audio or video, iOS 26 now automatically applies better noise control. But you can fine-tune it in Settings. Go to Settings. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Check Audio Settings. Make sure Enhanced Processing is enabled. This improves call and recording quality. Now let's finish strong with features you'll actually use every day. These are the small things that make your iPhone feel smarter. First, let's go to Apple Music. Open the Music app. Go to your library. You'll see pinned playlists or songs at the top if you've used this feature before. Press and hold on any pinned item. Tap Action. Now you can choose what happens when you tap it. You can set it to play, shuffle, or just open the playlist. So for example, if you always shuffle one playlist, you can make it start playing instantly with one tap. No extra steps. Now let's talk about podcasts. Open the Podcasts app. Start playing any episode. Tap on the speed button. Instead of just tapping numbers, press and hold and drag. You can smoothly adjust the speed. You'll feel haptic feedback. Also, go to a podcast show. Tap the 3 dots. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Speed and Audio Adjustment. You can save custom settings for each show. So, one podcast can play at 1.5 times, another at normal speed. It remembers everything. Now let's talk about searching messages. Open Messages. Tap the search bar. Instead of typing exact words, write something like trip photos, money transfer. Dinner last week, iOS 26 understands natural language now. It finds related messages even if you don't remember exact words. This is extremely useful when searching old chats. Next is Spotlight Search. Swipe down on your home screen. Type anything. You can do calculations, conversions, health questions, currency exchange, package tracking, and even quick definitions. You don't need extra apps for most basic things anymore. Spotlight is like a mini Google inside your phone. Now let's go to Wallet. Open Wallet. Tap on any credit card. Tap the info icon. If supported, you'll see add card information. You can scan your physical card. Now your card number, expiration date, and CVV are stored securely. So if you're shopping and don't have your wallet, you're still covered. Now something about headphones. Go to Settings. Tap General. Tap AirPlay and Continuity. Turn on Keep Audio with headphones. Now when you enter a car or connect to speakers, your audio won't switch automatically. It stays in your headphones. No more sudden loud music. Next is for motion sickness. Go to Settings. Tap Accessibility. Tap Motion. Tap Vehicle Motion Cues. Turn it on. Now you'll see moving dots when you're in a car. You can customize size, color, and style. This reduces nausea when using your phone while traveling. And finally, passwords. Open the Site Passwords app. Tap any saved password. Tap View History. You'll see previous passwords you used, so if a site says your old password, you can check it here. No guessing. So now you've seen hidden features in messages, music, files, wallet, camera, privacy, and customization. Most people use maybe 30% of their iPhone's real power. You're now way ahead of that. If you learned even one new thing, this video already did its job. And if you want more tips like this, make sure you're subscribed, because there's a lot more coming.